Hello, everybody. I'm over here in my favorite corner of the garden. Uh, it is overcast today. Thank God for the overcast. Yeah. Ben is out here cutting grass. There he is. That's a good thing. That's a good thing, family. Yeah. But I wanted to share with you all today that a young lady asked me, did I have a tea tree? You know, I said, no, I don't have a tea tree. I said, but I do drink tea a lot because I have fruit trees. I have herbs. I can drink tea, baby. Yeah, so let me share the trees that I have. I make tea from time to time. I mix them or I just use them by themselves. So here we go. So I walked over here by my moringa tree. That's her right there. Yeah, that's her, y'all. But I was smelling something, and no, she don't smell like that. And then I saw it. Y'all see it? It's gardenias. Oh my goodness, they smell so sweet, so beautiful. That's a good smell because I've been adding leaves to my super juice, right? So, yeah, baby, that's a good smell. But let's see. Let me get over here. So here are the gardenias. I see snails over here too, but the gardenias, they are blooming. I have some jasmine over here too. That's jasmine right there. She haven't put on her flowers yet, but that's her. But the gardenias, oh my God, you can smell them. They smell so good. A good smell going on over here, right? Yeah. I shared with you all in the beginning of the spring that I received a gift. That is that gift, and that is the mulberry tree. She had so many mulberries. My God. It was beautiful, a beautiful thing. But I told Ben at the end of the season, we got to get her down. She must come down. But before Ben take her down, I'm going to take a couple of limbs and I'm going to do some cuttings of about maybe 10 just in case, you know. But I'm going to do about 10 cuttings of this mulberry tree just to tell the birds thank you, because no, I did not drop that plant. It was a gift from Mother Nature. Yeah, but we gonna take her down because she gets to be 30, 40 feet. And no, no, no. Yeah, this is New Orleans, and no, no, no. I'm not gonna have that tree in my yard. That mulberry tree is a hazard, not only to me, but to my neighbors. So I gotta get her out. And that is a guava tree. That's my guava tree that I thought was dead from the snow. And I mean, she was just dead looking. So I just decided to plant her. I told Ben, put her in the ground. I gave her a lot of moringa leaves and the bark. Many of the bark of the moringa, I kind of chopped it up really, really fine that it looks like mulch. As a matter of fact, all the sticks around her is from the moringa tree. And I put it all in that hole with her. That is the guava tree. She is alive. She's doing well. Whoa, get away from me. It was a bee, y'all. But anyway, Yeah, that's my plans on the mulberry tree. I love her, but but I'm gonna do some cuttings, put some, and I'm gonna keep one, maybe a 50-gallon grow container where I can control this tree. I want to control it. So this is one of my Maya lemon trees. Yeah, and I have some bird poop caterpillars on here, but let him stay. Let him stay. But these are leaves that you can use to make tea. Yeah, and it tastes like lemon. It is a lemon tree. So, if you never have, take a leaf, take it off your tree, tear that leaf and smell it. There's lemon. That's one. So this is my bay laurel tree. Yes, you can make tea from a bay laurel leaves. Now, with all of these leaves I'm sharing with you today, there is many medicinal benefits. So, you research that, okay? Yeah, but this is the bay leaf. You can make teas from your bay leaf tree. Yeah. This tree, yeah, that is Fuyu persimmons. And yes, they make a very delicious tea. The leaves are amazing. Look how beautiful they are. Yep, they make teas. And it's good. It is good. And also, which is just laying over everything, of course, this is sugar cane. Can you make tea with sugar cane? Baby, that's sugar. That's sugar, sugar. It's sugar. Get you some sugar. So this tree here, this is an Abiquina olive. And yes, you can make teas from your Abiquina olive leaves. It's very delicious and calming. Oh, it's calming. It's drink that tea at night. It is calming and delicious. You sleep like a baby. So this tree here, this is a lime tree. She's all up in there. But that's a lime tree. And yes, you can make teas from a lime tree, from the leaves of a lime tree. Yeah. Grab you some leaves, baby. Yeah. I'll see that. This is my pear tree. It's one of them. And the leaves are amazing. Get you some leaves, dry them out, and make you some tea. Yeah, you read about it. You'll find out that the leaves is so much more potent than the pear. Yeah, it is. So this is my peach tree. Peach tree leaf makes amazing tea. Yeah, that is my peach tree with a fig tree just laying all in her space. But I'm gonna fix that. But this is my peach tree, and yes, you can make teas from peach tree leaves. Yeah. Do you have turmeric growing? Listen, turmeric is not only amazing for the rhizome, the leaves are amazing also. Research the leaves of your turmeric. You're going to be surprised. That tree back there, Moringa oleifera. Yes, baby. You definitely can make tea from the leaves of the moringa. And all of the herbs, I can go on and on and on when it comes to herbs. Yeah, get you some moringa, get you some tea. This is one of my loquat trees. And yes, the leaves of the loquat tree is amazing for teas. Yep. You have a lot of research to do. Oh, yeah. So, having a tea tree is a cool thing. It really is. But if you have fruit trees, if you drop seeds for herbs, right? Whether it's culinary herbs or medicinal herbs, you can have teas. So this fig tree, I don't show this tree very much because it's covered by the Black Mission, but it is a Black Italian. But this is her fruits. So this is the way her fruit looks. She got these really smooth fruits, and they are going to turn very deep, dark purple. Very deep and dark, and they're going to swell up really big. Yeah. And are they delicious? Yes, indeedy. Indeed, they are. But anyway, this is the Black Italian. I got to do some air laying on this, on my, I'm going to do about 3 air lays again on my Black Mission, and I'm going to do about 2 air lays on my Black Italian. I'm going to give them as gifts, and yeah, I'm going to do that. Probably one day next week we are going to get those air lays started. 3 on the Black Mission, 2 on the Black Italian. And then, of course, I need to do about 2 on the biggest of my brown turkey because I'm going to prune that thing down. So when I prune it down, I'm going to do my air lays first, right? Yeah, we're going to do that. All right, guys. If you purchase teas of any kind, all types of teas with peach flavors and just all kinds of teas that they have in the store, you are probably growing those teas and you just don't know that the leaves on our fruit trees are great for teas. All your fruit trees. So this is what you should do if you would like to use your leaves as a tea. Research your leaves on all of your fruit trees. You will find out that they are all great for teas. So harvest your leaves, clean them, and let them dry. Let them dry. Put them in a brown paper bag or spread them out. I tell you what I do is I spread my leaves out sometimes and I slide them under my sofa. I do put them in brown paper bags too, but just a way to get them dry and crispy. You want them dry and crispy. Yes. Your herbs, just as well as your leaves, are stronger when they are dried and crispy. Okay? And then put them in little tea bags or whatever way you make your teas, and you will see that the flavor of the fruit is in the leaves, baby. Yeah, the flavor of the fruits is in the leaves. So don't get so disappointed if you don't get a lot of fruits on your tree. You have a lot of leaves. So use those leaves, baby. Use them. Don't just let them fall, and maybe you will use them as a mulch, but baby, you could drink them. You could drink them. So this sunflower, I am going to take her head off. Yeah. And I'm going to share with you what I'm going to do after I take her head off. Let go. So this is my first sunflower head that I've taken off, and you can see there's all kinds of bugs that live in the sunflower head. So don't be alarmed if you see all kind of bugs in here, because yeah, baby, they've been living in here. And take all of that off. Take it off. Yeah. They got nymphs in here. Look at that. If you can see them. You see them? That's all right. Because, baby, y'all been evicted. You've been evicted. You gotta go. They flying away. Just get off of me. Get off of me, dog. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take my sunflower head and I'm gonna put it in a box. And I'm gonna put it in my garage and I'm gonna let her dry because she's very moist. She's moist from being out here in all of this weather. She's been in the rain. Yeah, let's see some of her seeds. Oh, they nice. They nice and ready. It's no hard to get off of there, I tell you. Yeah, they plumpy. And that's what you want, big, plumpy seeds. And that lets you know that your seeds are valuable. See how it's yellow all around the head? Those seeds are ready. They are ready, baby. And when I drop them, yep, they're going to germinate. But Jada also roast some of these sunflower seeds too. So I would take some of the sunflowers and let her roast them, but then I will share a lot of these sunflower seeds with you. All right, let me go put it in a box, y'all. Right, so there goes my turmeric. So I have 3 plants here, so I'm gonna go put them in a big container. Yeah.
It's very, very, very hot Friday. I got me some figs.
Yay!
And they look very ripe and delicious.
They are very ripe and delicious. Ask me how I know.
How do you?
I've been eating all week long.
I think I need a basket.
You do?
I think my hands are good.
Yeah. You good?
Yeah. I like my face. I keep thinking it too.
Yeah. Say all right. Say later.
Later, y'all.
Yeah.